All right, we've got Peace is Every Step by Thich Nhat Hanh. And I really love this book. Thich Nhat Hanh has really showed me. I first read this book about, I want to say 6 years ago. And he showed me that peace is not necessarily something you find in some, far away future. Peace is found now, and it's found by being present. And in many ways, even if you're in a state of stress or you're in some sort of emotional pain where you're just in pain, it's found in presence. It's found in mindfulness, in just being here in the present moment, whether you're going on a walk, you're doing the dishes, you're, at the gym, or you're going through some sort of crazy, crazy, crazy hard time. So without going into all the details, I highly recommend this book, and really, honestly, anything by Thich Nhat Hanh, but I would say this is a good first step into Thich Nhat Hanh before going into any other books. But start here and keep going, because his other books are fire too. So.